let's cut this. Cat walks on the street. When the green flag clicked, we're gonna forever loop your grid 2. This is forever loop. Okay, let's start it. Go to control. Go to event first. When the green flag clicked, the cat walking. So go to control and do forever loop. Forever. Forever what? Say meow. So go to sound. Go to looks. Make the cat say meow. So instead hello, type meow. Okay. Make the cat say meow. And then move 10 steps. Go to motion. Make the cat move 10 steps. And then switch to next costume. Go to looks. Next costume. In the next costume you grid 2, the cat will put up her leg like this. This is costume number 1 and this is costume number 2. Next costume. And then start the sound meow. Start the sound meow. The last thing you grid 2, wait 1 second. Go back to control. Let the cat wait 1 second. So let's start. Green flag. Wow. It's unstoppable until I stop it from here. This is will run forever grid 2 because the loop is forever. Okay? Now hurry up grid 2. Code it, send it in Telegram.